Okay, so we're going to do a quick little exercise to learn how to straighten the wheel. So first, I want you to look at the Ford logo in the middle of the steering wheel, and it's straight, okay, but that doesn't mean the wheel is straight. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and turn the wheel all the way to the left, all the way until it stops. Just keep turning it all the way till it stops. All right. Now, this is not really half a turn, but we're going to call it half a turn. So in order to straighten the wheel, we're going to turn it half a turn back and then a whole turn. Okay, and now we know the wheel is straight. Okay, and to prove it, when we turn it to the right, it should only go as far as we just turned it to straight. Half a turn and a whole turn. So turn it a full revolution to the right. Okay, and then a half, and then as far as it'll go, right, is only a part of a turn. Okay, so go ahead and turn it back to right side up, and then a whole revolution, and now we're straight again. And if you lift your foot off the brake, you'll see that the car goes straight. And it's very important. It's a good exercise to go over because new drivers don't know how to straighten the wheel, and they often don't know what the wheel will do and what it won't. And often they continue turning the wheel in ways that are not really productive. But as soon as they learn how to straighten the wheel, that's one of the first steps in learning how to drive and go around corners. And so it's an important skill that we can practice right here at a standstill and begin to improve the skill of a driver very safely in a parking lot. It's a beginning point, where we can increase skills without putting anybody at risk. Okay, so good idea to practice that and learn how to straighten the wheel.
We teach the entire driving experience from start to finish. We help people to basically what I call take the mystery out of the driving test, so that when you go to the driving test, no one's going to ask you to do something that you've never heard of. We're going to work with you until you have practiced all the skills that they're going to ask you to do on your driving test.